Welcome everyone. You are listening to AI with Shaylee, and I'm Shailendra Kumar, your friendly neighborhood AI enthusiast and author. Today, let's dive into a hot topic shaking up our social media feeds and creative spaces: the rise of what's now famously called AI slop. Yes, slop was actually crowned Word of the Year in 2025 by Merriam-Webster and the American Dialect Society. Quite a title for a buzzword, right? Here's the scoop: our digital feeds, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, are getting flooded with AI generated content that feels rushed, repetitive, and frankly, low on substance. You've probably seen sensational AI videos or images popping up, some even starring celebrity faces in the most bizarre scenarios you could imagine, often without their permission. Why? Because with AI tools making content almost for free, it's easier than ever to churn out quantity over quality in hopes of snagging a few clicks and ad dollars. This avalanche of AI slop is putting professional creators in a tough spot. Imagine being an artist or writer pouring your heart into your work, only to see it buried beneath a sea of machine made noise. I recall a friend's story. She's an illustrator who told me how her unique pieces struggle to get any traction when AI art floods the scene. It's a bit like trying to shout over a crowd that won't stop talking. And it's not just creators who are frustrated, audiences are growing wary, even angry. Take the example of McDonald's in the Netherlands. They pulled an AI generated Christmas advert after customers pushed back hard online. Clearly, people crave authenticity and genuine stories. But here's an intriguing question for you: could this flood of AI content actually help us appreciate real human creativity even more? I believe so. While AI can generate vast amounts of slop, some creators are harnessing these tools to boost, not replace, their art. They're mixing human intention with AI speed to create something fresh and meaningful. Plus, AI has made content creation more accessible for many, turning ideas into videos or articles in minutes. A huge win when used wisely. Looking ahead, there's a promising trend towards platforms building smarter ways to highlight authentic human content. Curation, labeling, community standards, all aiming to restore balance. So, while AI slop is the noisy present, it might just inspire a future that celebrates our unique creative voices even more. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip. If you're a content creator, think of AI as your creative sidekick, not your sole creator. Use it to experiment, draft, or find ideas faster, but put your unique human touch on the final piece. Authenticity still wins big in today's digital world. I'll leave you with a thought from the brilliant Marshall McLuhan: the medium is the message. As AI reshapes our content platforms, the message we choose to send and how authentically we send it matters more than ever. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to AI with Shaylee on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium. And hey, I'd love to hear your take on AI slop. Is it a nuisance or a necessary growing pain? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep questioning, keep creating, and keep it human.